Hi viewers, welcome back. I come up with another informative video, and this video is about this Excel's pump. You can see this pictures. So this video which I am going to recording is on the demand of my viewers. So they enticed me. I have to make a detailed video about this pump. Actually, about this pump, I have mentioned in my previous video, and that video was about the cooling fan of the engine. So after watching that video, my viewers said I have to make a detailed video on this pump. Who is not still watch that video? So it's my request, you have to first watch that video by clicking on this I button. In the video I will let you know what is the functions of this, what is the function of this pump and where is it located. And this pump, this component is only we can find in the Volvo H series wheel loaders. And start the video, I have the two diagram. By using that diagram, I will show you, I will let you know what is the function of this pump in that circuit and where it is located. Use this one as our the first diagram. They is showing the rear location of the components on the machines. This is our rear side of the machine, and this one is the front side of the machine. So first I talk about the rear side's components. So this number 1 is our axle pump. And this number 2 is a section line. And number 3 is a pressure relief valve. And number 4 is a cooled oil to the rear brake. And number 5, this one is our heat exchanger. And number 6 is a filter, rear filter. If I talk about on the front sides, so this number 11 is a cooled air go to the brakes, cooled air go to the brake, and number 11 is a section line. This number 7 is our axle pump, front axle pump. Front axle pump. And this one is a front filter. And this number 9 is our heat exchanger, front heat exchanger. These are the components which we can see. So now I will further discuss these components in my next diagram, my second diagram. This one is an other block diagram regarding to the axle pump. By using this diagram, I will explain the functions of the axle pump. So first of all, I will let you know all the components which are involved in this diagram. So first of all, you can see this one is a hydraulic tank. This one is a hydraulic tank, and this is a P3 hydraulic pump, and this one is our cooling fan motor. This is the hydraulic cooler, and this one is our rear axles, then this one is our front axle, and this is our rear axle pump, and this one is our front axle pump. This one is our rear axle filter. This is a rear axle heat exchange. This one is our front axle filter, and this one is our front heat exchanger, and this is the pressure limiting valve. These green lines showing the hydraulic oil return pressure, and this red line is showing the hydraulic oil working pressure, and blue lines is showing the axle oil. These are all the components which are involved in diagram. Now I am talking about the function of the axle pump. So this is a rear axle pump, and this one is our front axle pump. So purpose of this pump is to avoid the overheating drive axles, and it cool down the axle oils. So how it will work, you can see in this diagram, this one is a motor, this one is a pump, and this is a limiting valve. This one is our relief valve. So this pump, as soon as engine is started, even machine is stationary, this oil is start circulating in the circuit. So what is how it circulate? This pump and this pump pumps the oil from the center of the axle and send to this heat exchange through this filter. Same here, this pump pumps the oil from the center of the axle and send to the heat exchange through this filter, and this cooled oil, then this cooled oil through this exchange sent back to the brake, which is the hottest point of the axle. And this pump get drive from this motor. This pump get drive this motor, and these two motors get drive from this pump. Via this cooling fan motor. So this pump drive this motor drive this pump, and this pump is regulate this oil. And this heat exchange, when axle oil at high temperature, this heat exchangers work as a cooler, and at low temperature these heat exchangers assist warming the oil. So this is the main purpose and function of these axle pumps. Hope you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and share this video to your friends. If you have any comments, please type your questions in the comment sections, and don't forget to like this video. Whenever you like the video will spread over the internet, and other viewers can also see my videos. Thank you.